Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss how you can deal with character data types in Matlab. Okay, I am going to give you some idea and I am going to introduce some inbuilt functions related to this character operator which will help you to do programs. Okay, and with the basic concept we will try to write one program also. So see, suppose you write a equal to inside single quotation you write MATLAB, that is MATLAB. Okay, write enter. Now to know the data type, see here I have written the MATLAB in inside single quotation. Now you write WHOS in small letter in command window, write enter. Now see what you are getting, the name of the variable is small a where the class is character. Okay, so this is character data type. Okay, so now you may know this already, or you just understand this, that whenever you press any key in your keyboard, what will happen, in each key, corresponding to each key, there is one ASCII character. Okay, there is one ASCII table also. So this is the table. If you observe here, capital A to capital Z is there. Capital A character, ASCII value means each character in the keyboard, whatever you can observe, has its corresponding integer value. Okay, suppose you see capital A has the decimal value 65, small a has 97, capital Z has 90, small z has 122. Similarly, capital B has 66, small b has 98. Like that it goes on. For every characters it has its own ASCII value, but I am dealing with only the alphabets. Okay, I am going to show you one program also. So now you can observe here A equal to MATLAB we have defined, right? Now you see one important pattern in the table itself. You see the decimal value or the integer corresponding to capital A is 65 and the integer value corresponding to small a is 97. Capital A corresponds to 65, small a corresponds to 97. You go to calculator, you subtract these two numbers. Okay, 97 minus 65, so 97 minus 65, what is the number you are getting? 32. So basically we can say the difference in between the decimal or integer numbers of small a and capital A is 32. Similarly, you check capital B and small b. Small b has the corresponding integer number as 98. So you write 98 and capital B has 66. 98 minus 66 you will get as again 32. So from capital A to capital Z, if you add 32 for all the integers corresponding to capital A to capital Z, you will get the integer values corresponding to small a to small z. Okay, this is one very important concept. You should have a clear idea in this. Now, let me show you how you can convert the characters into integer numbers. Suppose see here MATLAB, 6 characters. So this corresponding to 6 alphabets, there is 6 integer numbers will be there. How to get that? Very easy. We have to use inbuilt function double. Okay, you write double of a and write enter. So while it is showing error, I have written that only undefined sorry, spelling mistake. Double spelling is double. Sorry. Okay, so if you write double of a, you write enter. See, you will get the ASCII characters or ASCII integer values of each character. Okay, see capital M corresponding to 77. Whether it is correct or not, check from the table. See capital M has corresponding integer as 77. Similarly, let me show you for one more case. Suppose you consider L. L is the 4th character in Matlab. So first, second, third, fourth. It is corresponding to 76, right? Whether it is correct or not, see capital L here, capital L corresponding to 76. Okay. So in this way, you can convert the characters to integers. Now, suppose let me clear this and let me write A equal to MATLAB Matlab and then DOUBL double of A. See, we are getting already these characters, these integers corresponding to each characters in the what Matlab. Now see, it is stored in the ans variable. Okay, if you don't define in which variable you have to store, in Matlab by default in ans variable, that is in answer variable, it will be stored. Now what you do, suppose you want to get back the characters from these integers, you use the char, okay, command, char of answer. See, again you are getting in ans variable, matlab is stored, and see it is inside one single quotation, so it indicates it is character data type. Okay, so one thing is clear, to convert character data type to integers we should use double, and to convert integers to characters we should use char. Okay, now suppose let me write matlab a equal to Matlab. Okay, in all the letters are in uppercase. Suppose your intention is to convert all the characters of this word into lowercase. So what to do? Just now I have shown you the difference in between the integer corresponding to capital M and small m is 32. Okay, so see here you can clearly observe that capital M is corresponding to 77 and small m is corresponding to 109. Okay, so 109 minus 77 is what? 109 minus 77. You see, again 32. So what we can do, first this is the character, so convert into integers, because you cannot directly add a plus 32, right? If you write a plus 32, see here you will get, in this way also you will get the integers, but this is the not proper way, because you are adding integers to the characters. So better to use so that it looks good. So what we can do, we can convert first the characters into integers. So you can write q variable, q equal to double of a. So the integers corresponding to each this uppercase letters or uppercase alphabets is stored in q variable. Now you write q equal to q plus 32. So what you have done, you have added 32 which is with each integer of the q variable. Now you write char of q, write enter. See what you are getting, Matlab in small letters, all the letters are converted into small letter. Okay, now suppose what you want to do, you want to do the reverse thing, you want to convert all the lowercase letters into uppercase letter. Very easy. Suppose let me write a equal to matlab Matlab, and then what you do, q equal to first convert into double, that is integers, so double of a, then q equal to, so now we are going from small letter to capital letter, so q equal to q minus 32. From capital to small we have to add 32, from small letter to capital letter we have to subtract 32. Okay, then you write char of q. Okay, see we are getting in capital letter Matlab. Okay, so I hope up to this it is clear. Now in this video I am going to show you one program. So what is the program says? The program statement is like this: take some input string or character from the user, and in that character or in that word, whatever uppercase letters are there, convert all into lowercase, and whatever lowercase letters are there, convert into uppercase. Okay, very simple. See how I am doing. So first x equal to input, then enter the name. Okay, x equal to input, enter the name is over. Now, so now we have taken input stream in the x. Now what you can do, so next step is convert each characters or alphabets of x into integers. Okay, so q equal to double of x. Okay, now what you can do, see in x there may be uppercase letter or lowercase letter, right? So we can use one for loop for I equal to 1 colon length of q if what q of I greater than equal to, if it is in between capital A to capital Z, we have to convert into small a to small z, right? Small z, right? So see, capital A starts from 65, capital Z capital A is 65, capital Z is 90. So if q of I greater than equal to 65 and q of I less than equal to 90, what should be done? Q of I equal to q of I plus 32, that is it will be converted into lowercase. Else if what you can write, q of I greater than equal to, now small a starts from what, 97 to small z is 122. Okay, so 97 and then q of I less than equal to 122, then what should happen, we have to subtract 32 to convert into uppercase. Okay, q of I minus 32. Now end this and end this for loop, and a equal to, then again convert into characters or that is in alphabets, so care of q. Okay, very simple. Now control A, evaluate selection. Let me show you. Enter the name. Suppose let me write my name, SATADRU MUKHERJ Shatadru Mukherjee. So capital S is in capital and here capital M is there, all are in small. So output should be, this S should be small and ATADRU should be in capital. Capital M should convert it into small m and UKHERJ should convert it into capital. Let me show you. See, okay, so here we are getting one error. Why? Because Shatadru Mukherjee, when we have entered, we have not entered inside a single quotation, so the Matlab is unable to accept it. Shatadru MUKHERJ. Okay, write enter. See what you are getting in the output variable A. See, you observe the string carefully. S, which was in capital in our input, is converted into small s. Rest all alphabets in Shatadru is converted into capital letters, and small capital M was there, so it is converted into small m. All rest of the alphabets are converted into capital. Here it was in small. So you can simulate it for other cases also. Suppose let me write control A, evaluate selection, enter the name. Suppose let me write inside single quotation, you don't forget this, inside single quotation you have to write A, capital A, small b, capital C, small d, capital E, small f. Okay, write enter. See what you are getting in the output, small a, capital B, small c, capital D, small e, capital F. Okay, that is reverse thing is happening in the input string. Whatever is uppercase letter is converted into lowercase and whatever is lowercase is converted into uppercase. Okay, so this addition of 32 to convert uppercase to lowercase and subtraction of 32 to convert lowercase to uppercase is very important concept. This concept you have understood from this video, and two more concepts I have discussed. One is to convert characters into integers, we have to use double keyword, and to convert integers to character corresponding to ASCII, to get the ASCII value, we should write character CHAR keyword. Okay, so this is all for my this video. I hope related to character data type related programs it will help you. This is all for my this video. Thank you for watching.